This is so nasty. It's literally stuck, and there's a coin over here. 20 kroners or something, right? It's so... Yikes. A little accident, right? It is just water, right? So... I have some hot water in this one, so... Time to make some soup. Det er fandme klamt, bare. Yeah, no need to spill it over. Alright, the coin is still pretty much stuck, but I got the lock out of the way, so... Yeah, it's very stuck, and the water is really hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, my queen. Yeah, just look at this shit. Right. Some lakrids I got from a conference. It was inside my car for like several weeks and got like liquid ice. So, you know, like a small cardboard box with candy, right? So it just smelted inside here for like half a year or something. Never have eatable stuff inside the car, right? Alright, most of the water is gone now. And this has been like on my to-do list for like, I don't know, 2 years? 1.5 years or something, right? So, yeah. Use your willpower, goddammit, on something useful, instead of being a little wanker. Alright, gave it a little bit to the cup holders also, and a little bit more on the main issue. So, yeah. Nu er den fandme fin. God som ny, mand. No more sticky shit. Do it. Just do it. Instead of waiting, right? It'll be so nice now. Now I can actually have my wallet here without getting destroyed and, water bottle. Job's done.